What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. So today I'm gonna take you through what Taylor Swift eats in a day. I was inspired by her Midnights album that just released, and honestly, it's just been a while since I've listened to Taylor Swift, and I listened to her whole album. It's a banger for sure. I wanted to take the time to research what Taylor Swift eats in a day and her workouts. So her diet is mainly balanced meals, and she likes to eat healthy during the weekdays, and then she likes to indulge on the weekends, which honestly, that's exactly what I do too. So I figured this would be really easy to do, but I wanted to show you certain foods that she eats. And then for her workouts, she likes cardio-based workouts. She likes to run or she dances. But I don't want to run today because I'm a morning runner and it's 6 p.m. right now. It is fall in Chicago, so I wanted to go on a fall little walk and show you guys around the city. And then after the walk, we will have our first meal of the day. Oh, also, I just wanted to say I intermittent fast, so I fast for breakfast and lunch during the weekdays. Weekends, I kind of have a free schedule, but weekdays, I'm very structured and it's been helping me, especially after recovering from my eating disorder. I've learned that I need structure. Also, speaking of eating disorders, another thing that I admire of Taylor Swift is she also struggled with an eating disorder and just body issues. So I feel like she's very relatable, and honestly, she's gorgeous. Like, I don't know why she ever thought like she looked whatever, I don't know. I don't want to get into that, but that just shows everyone has their struggles with body images. I did for most of my life. I feel like every girl still struggles with it. This is your sign to love yourself for what you look like, because you are a goddess. That's right, you are a goddess. So I hope that made your day. Okay, let's get walking. Wait, can I show you my fit? I have a Uniqlo white jacket. It's pretty thin, but I like the sleeves because there's the thumb holes. I have no idea where I bought this denim jacket from, but I'm wearing Fitbee's midnight blue leggings because I figured they would be perfect for this video. And then I got my Converse on. Yay. Okay, let's get our walk on. Okay, wrapping up today's video. I filmed the last clip last night, but I was so tired that I forgot. You know the feeling. Okay, so we ended up eating 100 grams of protein yesterday. I was honestly shocked we got 100 grams of protein because we only got 1,200 calories. I wasn't really hungry yesterday, I noticed, because I didn't do my traditional weight training workout. Usually after that workout, I am starving. But the food I ate yesterday made me so full. And I did end up making my collagen chai latte last night right before bed. If you've watched my YouTube videos before, you've probably seen it a few times. Basically chai tea with a scoop of collagen just to get an extra protein and collagen benefits, and just a dash of pumpkin creamer. I did want to say I'm not a big sandwich fan, but the sandwich I made yesterday was so good. I was able to add in a lot of turkey slices, so it really upped the protein in that sandwich, along with eating Quest chips, which is just extra protein. My favorite meal though was by far the yogurt bowl. If you know me, I love Greek yogurt and I always have it every single day. It's so high in protein and you can always customize your yogurt bowls. So yesterday I added my chia seeds, trail mix, and fresh raspberries, and it was so good with a drizzle of honey. Like, you can't ask for more. Speaking of delicious snacks, so a few of you on my channel, you probably know my friend Danny. She's modeled for my fitness apparel brand before. She's also been creating YouTube videos, and she created a protein Rice Krispie treat video. And I'm not gonna lie, hers looked way cuter than my recipe. So if you wanna check out this video here, I'll leave a link in the description. And be sure to give her a follow to show the love. Also, a little fun fact, next month in November, she's actually gonna be visiting Chicago. So I'm so excited, and we're definitely making a YouTube video. That's gonna happen for sure. That wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, peace.